Only know you love her when you let her go.
Hey KenDolls, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, what's up? My name's Kendall, and today I am back with another tutorial. This is going to be another feature for my mini series, and this is going to be my full drugstore face routine. And so if you like to see how I got this look, you know, it's a little glowy, it's perfect for the spring and the summer. Just keep on watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and give me a big thumbs up. That's going to help me out as well, and just stay tuned. Thanks. For moisturizer today, I'm going to be taking my NEUTROGENA Hydra Boost Gel Cream. It's made with hyaluronic acid, so it's good for all my girls with that dry skin.
Only know you've been high.
For primer today, I'm going to be taking my L'Oreal Infallible Pro Glow Illuminating Primer, and I'm just going to rub that in everywhere. And then for foundation, I'm going to be taking my favorite drugstore foundation, and it's the Infallible Pro Glow Foundation in the shade Cocoa. I'm going to be putting that on the back of my hand because I'm going to be mixing in some NYX Illuminating drops in the style Pure Gold.
Staring at the bottom of your glass.
I just really love this combination. I think that the glow is really nice. It's really nice from within. The foundation is lightweight enough to where I feel like it's not like heavy or anything on me, so I really love that. For concealer today, I'm going to be taking my L'Oreal Infallible Full Wear Concealer in the shade Honey. I'm going to be putting that on my under eyes and everywhere else I'd like to highlight. And I'm going to be taking a beauty blender and I'm going to be blending all that product in.
The light when it's burning low. Only miss the sun when it starts to snow. Only know you love her when you let her go. Only know you've been high when you're feeling low.
One thing that you can notice that I like to do is I like to drag my concealer up. I kind of just like to carve just kind of like the outside. I think it forms my eye shape really nicely, so that's one little thing I like to do that's a little bit different. I know some people don't like to do that, but that's how I do my face. To set that concealer in place, I'm going to be taking my Makeup Revolution Luxury Powder in the shade Banana. I'm going to be putting that on all the places I concealed. If you notice, I like to go over my eyes about twice. I just really like to make sure that everything is coated, that I didn't miss nothing. I just really like to make sure everything is going to set underneath my eyes because I like to smile and I ain't got time for no lines to be coming through.
You loved it too much and you dive too deep. You only need the light when it's burning low. Only miss the sun when it starts to snow.
New product alert. Okay, I got this NYX California Beamin bronzer. I'm always on the lookout for new bronzers, and I really like this one. This is in the shade The OC, and it's really nice. I was really surprised when I saw it. I was like, ooh, this is deep enough for me to use, and so I loved it. It's a really pretty shade. I think it definitely helps give me like that bronzy effect, so I stand for it. Now I'm going to take a fluffy Makeup Revolution brush and I'm just going to dust away all the excess of my banana powder and just make sure I take it all off.
Only hate the road when you're missing home. Only know you love her when you let her go. You let her go.
To set the rest of my face, I'm taking one of my Holy Grail products, and it's my L'Oreal True Match Super Blendable Powder in the shade Classic Tan. I'm just going to put this on all the areas that I did not apply originally the banana powder, and so the rest of my face, usually like the outlining parts like my nose, underneath my jawline, everything on my forehead and stuff, just where the rest of the foundation is.
Only know you love her when you let her go.
So my camera took it upon itself not to focus in on my blush, which was super annoying, but it's also one of my holy grails. It's my MILANI baked blush in the style Red Vino, and I was like, I cannot not put it in the video, like what? And so I'm taking my NYX Dewy Finish Long Lasting Setting Spray, and I'm just going to set this all for the rest of my face. For highlight, I'm taking my favorite drugstore highlighter. It's the Maybelline Master Chrome Molten Gold. Y'all already know it's in like all my videos. So I'm going to put that on all the areas I like to highlight. And that is all I have for you guys today. Please do not forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Thanks, KenDolls.
Let her go.